Meet Carmen. Her impound number is A4466510. Carmen is a Chihuahua mix. She's about 8 years old, and she came into the shelter as a stray, believe it or not. She is very engaging. She is housed with 2 other small dogs and does just fine. And meet Miranda, her roommate, right here. Her impound number is A4466508. She also came in with Carmen as a stray. She is about 12 years old, and she's very engaging. She was also housed with the 2 other dogs, and they share a kennel together with them. These 2 are extremely, extremely bonded. Of the 2, Carmen, look at Carmen is a little more shy of the one, and she needs time to warm up to you. We really want these 2 to go out together to a home. They really wouldn't know what to do without each other. It's amazing that they both came in as a stray to the shelter together like this, and being so small. They'd be great little dogs to lap dogs. They go for little walks. They just want to be loved and have a lot of attention. They jump up on your lap, and they just, like I said, they just want to be loved. So we're looking for that special someone who will come and adopt 2 little cheese that are a mix, but come on, they can't be that much trouble. They're small, so they'd be great for an apartment dog, a condo dog. Come on, baby, look at the camera. There we go. So come on down today and meet Carmen and Miranda today at the Agora Animal Shelter. Come on, guys.